Hey everybody, it's me Jessica, and I want to talk about my new electric bike that I got several months ago, and I'm really happy with it. So I use this to ride to work, 26 miles there, 26 miles back. But today I'm going to use this to ride up in the California hills. And so it's got a place for my water bottle right here. It's got nice big tires there. And so to turn it on and off, you use this middle button right there. And so now it's off, and now I'm going to turn it on. And it's got 5 speeds, so you can click on this button to go up and down on the speeds that you want to do. And so it tells you how fast you're going right here with the miles per hour, so I really like that. It's got the battery life right up there. And this one here is for the manual pedals. So you can use it either as an electric bike or a manual bike. It's got 7 speeds for the manual bike. And this one you just turn it forwards and backwards to adjust the speed right there. And it's got brakes right here. So it's pretty easy to use. I like that you can do either an electric bike or a regular bike on it. And I love that it's got a place for my water bottle. So I'm all ready to go up in the California hills now. So I highly recommend this product.